After 50, physical baseline changes often become impossible to ignore. Hips lock, the lower back stays tight, and ankle mobility declines. This loss of movement directly correlates with a drop in overall circulation and masculine vitality. You can counter this decline with a 10-minute, 5-step sequence practiced every morning. This routine functions as a biological reset, specifically targeting the systems that regulate force production and energy. Your legs and glutes are the body's largest muscle groups. Their massive size creates a force demand the brain cannot ignore. When these muscles work, they signal the motor nervous system to maintain higher testosterone, turning your lower body into a hormone engine room. This requires no gym equipment or heavy weights. You only need 10 minutes of intentional effort, a small space on the floor, and a chair for balance as you regain your range of motion. Activating these major muscle groups sends a signal to your brain that the body still requires strength, triggering biological pathways needed to maintain it. Step 1 is the deep squat routine. This foundational movement is the most direct way to mobilize stiff ankles and tight hips. Stand with feet wider than shoulders, lowering slowly. Push knees outward, ensuring glute engagement and heel weight distribution. Hold the bottom, shifting weight side to side, lifting opposite toes. Follow with heel raises. Heat builds in calves, regaining mobility. To finish the set, rise 1/4 of the way up, pause, and then return to the deep hold. Repeat the sequence for 3 slow, controlled rounds. And step 2 is the ATG split squat hold. This movement is designed to restore range of motion to the hips, which often become rigid after years of sitting and driving. Take a long split stance, letting the front knee travel past the toes. Keep the back leg extended. If unsteady, use a chair for support. Keep your chest tall and your spine straight. Hold this position for 10 deep breaths, or about 60 seconds per side, focusing on relaxing into the tension rather than fighting it. Opening these hip pathways releases chronic tension in the pelvis and improves circulation to the lower extremities, supporting systemic vitality. And step 3 is the glute bridge. When glutes become dormant from an activity, the lower back compensates, leading to chronic pain and decreased stability. Lie flat on the floor with your knees bent. Drive your heels firmly into the ground to lift your hips, being careful not to arch your lower back. At the top of the movement, squeeze your glutes for 1 full second. Your body should form a straight line from the shoulder, hip, and knee, as shown in this diagram. Perform 3 sets of 15 repetitions. Lower yourself slowly, but keep the glutes slightly off the floor between reps to maintain constant tension. And step 4 is the horse stance. This isometric hold moves beyond simple mobility to build internal endurance and stability. Stand with your feet twice shoulder width apart and lower your hips as if sitting on a wide horse. Keep your spine upright and your core lightly braced. As the timer ticks down, your legs will begin to shake. Maintain the position for 45 to 60 seconds, resisting the urge to stand up. Learning to maintain form under this physical pressure helps the nervous system adapt to stress, allowing you to generate force without a corresponding spike in cortisol. Step 5 is the primal flow. We now integrate these individual movements into a single coordinated system that moves the body as a whole. Start in a crouching beast position. Step forward into a deep lunge and rotate your chest to reach toward the sky, following the kinetic chain. Return to center and switch sides. From there, transition into a controlled bear crawl, moving 5 steps forward and 5 steps back. Maintain this continuous, slow movement for 2 minutes. Avoid any jerky or rushed motions. Focus on moving with total control. Audit your physical state after the sequence. You should notice a lightness in your shoulders, more space in your hips, and an immediate rise in mental alertness and energy. I am issuing a 7-day challenge. Perform this 10-minute sequence every single morning for 1 week. If you are ready to commit to this process, type "I am in the comments below. Aging is inevitable, but losing your ability to move is a choice. The strength you need is still there. It only needs to be reactivated.